Welcome to our video on 3D printing ideas to make money. In this video, we'll be exploring the exciting world of 3D printing and how you can turn it into a profitable business. What is 3D printing? 3D printing is a revolutionary technology that allows the creation of three-dimensional objects by laying down successive layers of material. This technology has numerous applications in various fields like healthcare, education, manufacturing, and even space exploration. It can be used to create prosthetic limbs, dental implants, architectural models, and even food. The possibilities are endless, and we'll explore some of the most exciting applications of 3D printing in this video. So, let's dive in. Overview of the 3D printing market. 3D printing is a rapidly growing industry that has revolutionized manufacturing, allowing individuals and businesses to create complex and customized objects quickly and easily. The global 3D printing market is projected to reach over $40 billion by 2027, with a compound annual growth rate of over 21%. This growth is being driven by the increasing adoption of 3D printing across various industries, including healthcare, aerospace, automotive, and more. There are several ways to make money through 3D printing, such as creating and selling your own designs, offering 3D printing services to others, or even setting up a 3D printing business. Examples of profitable 3D printing businesses. One example of a profitable 3D printing business is personalized jewelry. With the ability to create unique and intricate designs, 3D printing technology has revolutionized the jewelry industry. Customized jewelry has become increasingly popular among consumers, and 3D printing allows for the creation of intricate and complex designs that would be difficult to produce through traditional manufacturing methods. Another profitable 3D printing business is the creation of prosthetic limbs. 3D printing technology allows for the customization of prosthetic limbs to meet the specific needs of individual patients, making it a cost-effective and efficient alternative to traditional prosthetic manufacturing. Custom foam cases are also a great example of a profitable 3D printing business. With the increasing popularity of smartphones, the demand for unique and personalized foam cases has grown rapidly. 3D printing allows for the creation of custom foam cases in various materials, designs, and colors, giving consumers the ability to create a truly unique product. Creative ideas for 3D printing products to sell. One popular option is to create unique and customized home decor items, such as vases, lamps, or wall art. You can offer different designs and colors, and even allow your customers to request personalized text or images. Another idea is to cater to specific niches, such as creating cosplay props or accessories for gamers. You can even take it a step further by offering to design and print custom parts for people's cars, like emblems or body panels. If you're interested in the fashion industry, 3D printing can be used to create intricate and one-of-a-kind jewelry pieces. You can experiment with different materials, like metal or resin, and offer unique designs that can't be found anywhere else. Tips for marketing and selling 3D printed products. Once you've created your 3D printed product, it's time to get it out into the market. First, make sure your product is visually appealing and showcases its unique features. Utilize social media platforms to showcase your product and create a website where customers can easily purchase your product. You can also utilize online marketplaces such as Amazon, Etsy, and eBay to reach a broader audience. Partnering with influencers can help to promote your product as well. Finally, consider offering a guarantee or warranty to build trust with your customers. By following these tips, you can successfully market and sell your 3D printed products. Starting a 3D printing business can be an exciting venture. However, before you begin, it is essential to understand the investment costs and necessary equipment. Firstly, you will need to invest in a high-quality 3D printer, which can range from a few hundred to several $1,000s, depending on the level of complexity required. Additionally, you may need to purchase software, materials, and other accessories, such as a scanner or finishing tools. Once you have the necessary equipment, it is time to set up your business. Consider creating a website or social media page to showcase your products and attract potential customers. You can also attend trade shows or networking events to connect with others in the industry and gain exposure. When it comes to pricing your 3D printed products, consider the time and materials required to create each item, as well as the level of customization involved. Be sure to market your products as unique and high quality, and emphasize the benefits of 3D printing over traditional manufacturing methods, such as reduced waste and increased efficiency. By following these tips and putting in the necessary effort, you can create a successful and profitable 3D printing business. And that concludes our video on 3D printing ideas to make money. We hope you found it informative and inspiring. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on the latest technology trends. Thank you for watching.